Wait, hang on. Before I start the video, I just wanted to tell you guys that I want you to subscribe because only 19.7% of you are subscribed who actually watch my content. 80.3% aren't subscribed. Please, for the love of dog, subscribe. I would really appreciate it. Thank you. Goodbye. God! Yo, what's up, guys? It's your boy Deadpool101 here, and join me with the legendary 2:20 a.m. Omegle to see what kind of shit is going on at this time. Okay, it's set to the right desktop audio, so if you would join me on this adventure, there's gonna be part 2 of the series I already did. Well, it's not really a series, it was just a video. It was the first Omegle video. This is a follow-up, so let's go!
How's your day?
It's going pretty good. What about you?
My day's doing pretty good.
That's good.
Can I ask you a question?
Yeah.
What's good?
Nothing much really. I'm just doing a video on Omegle. Oh my god, what the fuck was up with that guy? Was I fucking barking like a dog?
Josh is getting all the
How old
chill.
are you?
Damn, dude, you got the vape and everything. You all decked out and shit. I see you.
Oh my god, this chair's so uncomfortable. What's up?
Hi,
Hey,
how are you doing?
good, how about you?
Good.
What's going on in your life that you decided to be on Omegle?
I'm just bored. I have nothing to do.
Same here. I recorded a video though, so.
That's cool. Are you like YouTube, TikTok famous or something?
Neither, but I'm trying to be YouTube famous.
Cool, you'll get there one day.
I hope so. It's been a long journey. Very long journey.
It'll pay off eventually.
I hope so. So, do you think that if I record videos every day, it will work out?
I mean, yeah. I mean, it takes a lot of time and like a lot of work, but I mean, it'll happen eventually.
Yeah, it's been 3 years in the making for me.
Well, sometimes it takes long. Like,
Yeah.
it doesn't happen like overnight for some people, but sometimes it just takes people longer to realize talent.
Yeah, those people who it takes overnight are just either they're really lucky or they just clickbait a lot.
Yeah.
I'm a total anti-clickbait type of person. I hate clickbaiting people.
It gets me frustrated sometimes.
Oh yeah, cause like you'll see a video being like, what's an example? Oh, here's a really cute picture of a dog, and then like they're like, hey guys, what's going on? This isn't even a picture of a dog at all.
Right.
It's like, come on, man. Why you gotta do me like that?
How many followers do you have? You should give me your YouTube, and I can give it to all my friends, and I can post it on my Snapchat, and I can have everyone follow you.
Okay, that'd be nice. Thank you. It's Deadpool Gaming 101.
Okay.
When you look it up, I think I'm the first result. I'm not sure. I just look it up without any caps or spaces, so.
Okay.
Yeah. You already know I did want to in my head, but I don't know how to blur shit in my editing, so yeah, about that. Why does it keep asking me if I'm a fucking robot? I'm not a robot. I'm literally a human. What the fuck? I'm just kidding. What the fuck? Do I have to fill this out every single time? Yeah, no, you can't see my face, guys, but hang on. There we go. Ugh. Wait, I'm almost out of juice. Oh, fuck. Hang on, guys. I'm almost out of fucking vape juice, bro. I need to go get my other... I don't actually even know what happened to my juice. It was over here on my shelf, but I don't know what the fuck happened to it, so one sec. See, Marshall, I'm just like you. I'm flipping the bird. Dear Slim. I just want to give you flowers. I spent hours on this. Bruh. Oh, wait. I might know where it is. I think I might know where it is. Maybe. Hopefully. I think it's in here. I do not see it. Scheiße. Fuck. Yeah, I don't know what happened to it. I lose everything. I fucking hate it. I really do lose everything. It's fucking garbage, bro. Fucking sucks. Ah, my fucking wrist. The fuck? God, stop asking me if I'm a robot. I'm not a robot. Come on.
I lick your boobs. Do you have a boobs?
No.
No. Hey, it's vape. It's vape.
I have no idea what the fuck he was just saying. I didn't mean to sound rude. I just did not want to go through that. Omegle! Stop asking me for fucking... God damn it. Why'd you keep asking me for this shit?
Hello.
Hello.
Hey, man.
What's going on? Fuck!
Hey, sup?
What's up?
How are you doing today?
I'm doing pretty good. Do I need more light? Oh, Jesus. Hi. You can definitely see me clearly now. There's no fucking bicycles! Stairs, okay. Yeah. Ah. Oh my god. Stairs. Heat. Heat. Great, now I gotta censor shit. I don't know how to censor anything though. I really need to figure out how to censor shit.
What's up, bro?
What's up, man? How you doing?
Nice. You?
I'm doing pretty good.
Are you a YouTuber?
Yes.
Nice one. Which one you playing games, bro?
I'm not playing games, but I can give you my YouTube channel if you want to go subscribe.
Ah, okay. Which one, bro?
It's called Deadpool Gaming 101.
Fuck you, bro.
What do you mean? What'd I do?
I YouTube channel పెడతాను చూద్దాం ఏం
Give me your subscribe and I will subscribe, bro.
Thanks, man. I appreciate it.
Give me your YouTube channel.
I typed it in the chat, so.
Type.
Okay, well, that was, I guess, a win of an Omegle video. Maybe a loss. I don't know. But hopefully we did get a couple more subscribers. I'm not sure. That one lady did say she'd like share it to her Snapchat story to all of her friends or some shit. I don't fucking know. Fuck was that? Who texted me? Oh wait, what is this? I'm definitely gonna be doing a reaction video, hopefully in like a few minutes. I don't know. Well, I'll see you guys later. Peace, bitches.